Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. As you saw, I just finished getting ready and I basically got ready for no special occasion whatsoever. I just feel like I haven't dressed up or done my makeup really, and I kind of needed a little boost. So I decided to just get ready for myself so I can get that little boost that I needed. I'm gonna have to run some errands later tonight, but I'm just gonna wait. I have to do some stuff. So what I want to do first is clean up a little bit because it's pretty messy in here and I really can't work in a space that's super dirty. I really want to finish setting up some of the new decor items that I got. I want to finally put up my new curtains in my living room. I have these new wall hooks that I want to hang up. And I think that's kind of it, but yeah, I just kind of want to really clean up in here. I'm thinking about possibly picking up some drinks and some stuff to make like a charcuterie board because I think my best friend is coming over for the weekend, so I kind of want to surprise her. Valentine's Day is coming up, so pretty much we're gonna be each other's Valentine, so that's awesome. And speaking of Valentine's Day, I wanted to talk about today's sponsor, which is Ana Luisa. Of course, you guys have heard me talk about Ana Luisa before. I'm actually wearing some of their jewelry right now, and I love my new pieces. First, I have these hoop earrings. First, I have these new hoop earrings that I love. For a while now, I've been wanting to get some new hoop earrings because way back like in high school, I used to wear hoop earrings like literally every single day. But these are nice. These are the perfect size, really cute. And the earrings are $49. And then I also got this cute chain necklace. Really love it because it's simple. And the model on the website wore it with like a crew neck, which looked really cool. So I'm excited to try this out with more like casual outfits and then more dressy outfits like layering and stuff. And the necklace is $50. And the last new item that I got is this ring. They also have a white one, but I decided to go with the black, and the ring is $42. So like I said, Valentine's Day is just around the corner and Ana Luisa is offering 15% off starting February 14th. But you guys can start shopping right now when you see this video, and all the details are down below if you're interested. So if you're looking for an easy gift for your Valentine's Day or for your girlfriend, then I highly recommend checking out Ana Luisa, because remember, all prices start at just $39 and their quality of jewelry is really great. I'm very happy with all the pieces that I have by them, so make sure you check them out. And now, first thing I want to do is get to cleaning. I'm gonna show you guys what mess I'm working with right now. Alright, so the majority of the mess is just right here in the living room because I have all these boxes, and the problem is that I still have to fix this room. The recycling bin does not get picked up. It has not gotten picked up for 2 weeks. So I have decided that I'm gonna take them out anyways because I cannot have all these boxes in here. Tomorrow I might have 50 boxes delivered to me for my shop, so we need to clear the space out. So I'm gonna get rid of these boxes, and then we're gonna hang up these curtains and some hooks for there, and we're just gonna chill together. I did it, guys. I did it. I got rid of the boxes. We did it, Joe. We did it. Okay, boxes are done. Next, I need another coffee. And does anybody else like to get a completely new glass? I don't like refilling in the same glass. I always like getting a new one. And I'm not gonna try to have that much. It is already 4:13, but it is gonna be another busy night. I'm just telling you guys, so many deadlines and just everything is happening like all at once. That's actually a lot. Don't forget your straws so you don't stain your teeth. I think the first thing we're gonna do is put up the curtains. So let's move on over to the living room. Okay, so these are the curtains. They're the same ones that I have in my room and the dining nook. And then I have the curtain rod. And we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out, you guys. I think it's gonna be fine. And then the last thing will be the hooks that will go up there. So here is the before. Hopefully it doesn't get too dark by the time I finish, but let's get to it. So I really don't know what I'm gonna be doing because I've only done this once because the other curtains that are up, they already had like the bar and like the pre-drilled holes and everything. I'm gonna have to do this all on my own and it's fine. So don't think I've done this and I'm a pro, like this is really my first time. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do is figure out, I think I have a bench here already. Figure out really how high I want it. I guess it depends on the curtains. I think I should put the curtains on first. 84 inches tall. So I'm just gonna wing it because you gotta fake it till you make it. Now I'm just gonna tie these on so it'll be a little boring. Just gonna do this to the rest of them. One issue though is that I guess the curtains are a little too crinkled right now, maybe, that they're just not like covering up both sides of the windows. Worst case is that I'm gonna just have to order another pack. But for now, we just have this, so we're just gonna go with it. And if I have to order another pack, then I'll order another pack. Let's get to it. Okay. If I'm going to, that's just gonna make it very, very. Don't you cry, Arizona. I never wanna see you that way. I'll be your milk carton, darling. Leave me cut up. So this first one by the door went through perfectly. The middle one, no. That one, no. And it's because of, you know, those things. I don't even know what the heck it's called. Beams that hold the apartment, I'm guessing. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, guys. So sorry about the lighting, but I found a way. I found a bunch of these washers. This helped because the screw doesn't go all the way through. I'll go ahead and show you guys once I'm done because I don't want to be recording me failing. All right, you guys, I did what I could and it was not enough. Okay, as you can tell, I need to get another pack. That way I can have 2 on each side and it's more full, and then I can have these blinds up because that's just my goal, to not have the blinds, because I don't know, I've never really liked blinds. And these curtains I have in obviously like my bedroom and in the dining nook, and I know that you can't see through them when you're outside. Like if I'm gone or at night, like obviously I'll have the blinds like closed and stuff, but for the daytime, I still want that sunlight to come in. So my goal is to just keep the blinds up and then just have the curtains. So, and it's getting a little bit later, but I think I need to go for it and do these wall hooks right here. And then I have to go run my errands because it's already getting late. But let me show you how nice the sunset looks right now from the office. Look at how pretty. It's so nice. I love the view from here. But yeah, let's work on those hooks. Okay, so I'm thinking about only having 3 hooks up here, and they will go like this. How high are they usually? Do you guys know like how high they should be? I need to hurry so that I can go to the grocery store. At least I just have to go to the grocery store. And then what else? And then I have a lot of stuff to do. Anyways, I'm gonna close the blinds. I don't like it if my neighbors know that I'm filming, because then they're probably gonna think I'm crazy. So I don't know how the heck I did it, but I put one up. And the problem is that it made like not that great of a hole. Like, I mean, it's up, you know, it's up. It looks good. I can't just have one, but I'm actually afraid to put more. Like, I'm afraid to put the 3. But it would look like this. I mean, it would look cute. What? I mean, that's just something I have to worry about after I move out, right? And let's be real. I'm not moving out of this place anytime soon. I'm expecting to stay longer for sure. Wait, what was it? I did it at the 66 inches. I'm really hoping that that's even. Okay, well, I'm gonna try to do it again. Okay, I did 2 and I don't think I'm gonna do another one because, I mean, it looks chill. Let me put my purse up there really quick. Is it even? Who knows? It might not be that even, but hey, my purse hangs up there. Later, I'm gonna do like a little basket. Who knows? Or like a little basket for face masks or whatever, because everybody's doing that. Anyways, that's good for now. 2 is good, but honestly it should be 3, you know. And also I will just worry about the holes later, because why am I going to stress myself out right now? That's something that you worry about when you move out, and I'm not doing that anytime soon. But anyways, that's it for that. It is almost 6, so I think I'm gonna have an early dinner and then go to the grocery store, because I feel like right now people are out of work, so they're probably going to the grocery store. I have these meals by Snap Kitchen. I'm thinking about doing the almond crusted salmon, so I'm gonna have that, and then I'll save the barbacoa for later. Refill my water. So if you have a microwave, you just microwave this, but since I don't, then I just cook it on the stovetop. Green lines cut through a black screen, tells you I'm fine. All right, you guys, here it is. It looks so good. So yeah, got my dinner, gonna eat really quick so I can go to the grocery store. The only thing I added is lemon because I can't have fish without it. It's just so good. So yummy. Anyways, I know today's video wasn't that great, but sometimes it's just so busy and I'm just focused on like work stuff. I'm not doing anything like fun or whatever. So I hope you guys didn't mind. Also, since we were on the subject of Valentine's Day, are you guys doing anything? Let me know if you guys have any fun plans, whether that's with your significant other or your best friends or something. Okay, that was super good. Gonna put you here now. Need to grab a sweater. I'm gonna grab my jacket, this one. Keep it black on black. And this is where I end today's vlog, video, whatever you want to call it. But like always, thank you guys again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa's 15% off sale with the link down below. You guys can get started on your Valentine's Day shopping now for your partner, your best friend, or for yourself, because why not? So thank you guys again, and I will see you guys next video. Going back to tell you right.